In this video, I'll be going over my December 2023 Etsy statistics. So first, let's start with the visits. I got 59 visits for the month of December 2023. It looks like I only had 2 days that didn't have any visitors, which I think is one of the better months I've had so far. So I'm pretty happy with that, with my highest day being 5 visits and then lowest being the days that had 0 or 1 if we want to count that. And then moving down to my orders, I get 2 orders. One, it looks like on December 22nd, and then one on December 24th, I think. So that's really cool. And these are all digital downloads. I currently have 5 active listings. I haven't uploaded any in months so far. I just really haven't had much time to devote to Etsy. I would really like to upload more listings and get more potential sales on Etsy. It's just not I just don't really have a lot of time to put into Etsy right now. But that's okay. I think all my listings were active for the month. I don't have them on the auto renewal just so that I can review them, see if I'm making money, see what's going on. I do have a lot of free listings available because I think of how I signed up or something like that. So that is really nice. I haven't really had to pay much cost for that. Just rolling down to my conversion rate. That is 3.4%, 2 of the days being 50%, which is awesome. That's because I had 2 visitors those days, and then I get a sale each day. So I think that that's pretty cool, especially since this is pretty much passive income, and it might not be a lot of money, but all the money adds up. So I think after the fees, I probably got around $4.71 or $4 and something cents, since there's no shipping and since they're digital downloads, as soon as somebody buys them, they download them right away. So it's pretty much just passive income and me making sure my listings are still active. And then let's look at the revenue. So I made $5.38, and all my listings right now are the same price since they're the same kind of products, just different niches pretty much. So I think they're $2.99 each, I believe. Um, and yeah, so I'm not sure why it's 538. Oh, I think one person actually had a discount code, like a 10% off or something like that, and that's why it's 538. I think I do offer discounts in my store, so they may have been a returning customer from me. I'd have to double check that, or they get a discount some other way for Etsy or something. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but I think my listings are both $2.99, and I think it just says 538 because of the discount. I remember one of them having some sort of discount on them, which is really cool. I don't mind if I save or someone saves a few cents. I mean, we're all trying to save money, so that's really cool that they were able to get a discount. So I'm definitely not upset at that at all. Either way, this is passive income, so I'm happy if I even just make $1 from this. So Etsy so far has been pretty cool and interesting. Again, I don't really put a lot of time into it right now. I am trying to find new niches to go into and trying to find time to when I can actually work on uploading more to Etsy, but I'm still just trying to learn the interface as well and get more familiar with Etsy. So, hope this video was helpful. I hope it was inspiring in some way. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. But overall, I'm really happy with how Etsy is going so far, especially for being mostly passive income. So if you're trying to start Etsy or you're not sure if you should, then I do recommend going for it if it's something that you're interested in. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day. And I just want to be transparent that I do still consider myself as a beginner on Etsy right now since I am still learning. So thank you again so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.